Riya wakes up early. She quickly gets ready and reaches the school. Yes.
रिया इसका मतलब रिया जल्दी उठती है और तैयार होती है।
ऐसे नहीं प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स। ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, ठीक है? ओके, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड दोज हु कैन explain me the meaning of these two sentences. Aditya, can you explain me? Aditya Sundar. Aditya, can you explain me the meaning of these two sentences?
मतलब कहाँ का सेंटेंस है?
सामने देखो स्क्रीन पे, I'll tell you. Riya wakes up early. Wait. Now see. ये वाला sentence. Yes.
पेज नंबर क्या है?
Page number 103. You can take out, अगर किसी बच्चे को स्क्रीन पे ठीक से नहीं दिख रहा है, they can take out their books. Wow English, page number 103. आदित्य, यहाँ पे टिक देख रहे हो? फर्स्ट बॉक्स में क्या लिखा है? Riya wakes up early. She quickly gets ready and reaches the school. What is the meaning of these two sentences?
हाँ फिर से उतना बात नहीं अच्छे से।
सामने देख के पढ़ो, स्क्रीन पे देख के पढ़ो, क्या लिखा है?
रिया wakes up
अर्ली क्या मीनिंग है? अच्छा इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग बता दो। रिया वेक्स अप अर्ली।
मतलब वो सुबह उठती थी।
सुबह उठती नहीं थी, सुबह जल्दी उठ गई। अर्ली का क्या मीनिंग होता है? जल्दी। रिया वेक्स अप अर्ली, रिया जल्दी उठ गई। शी क्विकली गेट्स रेडी, वो क्विकली भी होता है जल्दी, फटाफट, ठीक है? फटाफट, क्विकली, शी क्विकली गेट्स रेडी, वो जल्दी से रेडी हुई। एंड रीचेस द स्कूल, एंड वो कहाँ पहुंच गई? अपने स्कूल पहुंच गई। ओके, व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट? म्यूट योरसेल्फ आदित्य। नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है? टीचर सेज गुड मॉर्निंग, आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द पिकनिक? टीचर सबको विश कर रही है एंड शी इज आस्किंग her students, are you excited for the picnic? Look at the students, they are saying yes ma'am, they are saying yes ma'am. Obviously they will be excited for the picnic, है ना? पिकनिक पे जाने के लिए तो बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड होते हैं। Okay, now let's read the next picture. What it's saying. Now the teacher is asking, shall we repeat the school picnic rules? Teacher is asking about the rules. Do you know there are some rules for the picnic? When you go to the picnic from school, जब आप स्कूल से जाते हो, there are some rules which you have to follow. Now let's read about those rules. Look at this girl, what she's saying. We should not fight or push each other. We should not fight and push each other. Pradyuman, can you tell me the meaning of this sentence? We should not fight or push each other.
मैम इसका मतलब है किसी को मारना नहीं और किसी को धक्का भी नहीं देना है।
Yes, we shouldn't fight. हमें लड़ना नहीं है किसी से। Fight का मीनिंग होता है लड़ना। And we should not push. हमें किसी को धक्का नहीं देना है। Okay? Good. The next boy is saying we should not spoil the walls or furniture. Satyam, can you tell me the meaning of this? We should not spoil the walls or furniture.
हमें दीवार और फर्नीचर को बर्बाद नहीं करना है।
Yes, हमें दीवारें और फर्नीचर को खराब नहीं करना है, उन्हें बर्बाद नहीं करना है। Good, very good. Mute yourself. Okay, now this girl is saying wear ID cards. ID cards are very, very important. Do you know that? क्यों important होते हैं वो? आईडी कार्ड्स पहनना, बिकॉज उसमें आपकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. सपोज कोई मिस हैपनिंग हो जाए, कोई बच्चा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं हो और वो कहीं मिस हो जाए, तो एटलीस्ट उस आईडी कार्ड से उसकी हेल्प हो सकती है, उसके पेरेंट्स का नंबर मिल सकता है, उसके घर का एड्रेस मिल सकता है, एंड दैट चाइल्ड कैन रीच अ सेफ प्लेस, है ना. वो बच्चा एक सेफ जगह पे या अपने घर पे पहुंच सकता है उस आईडी कार्ड की हेल्प से. So this girl is saying wear ID cards. So these are the very important rules for the school picnic. Now look at the meaning of excited. Excited का meaning होता है very happy. जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं, बहुत excited होते हैं किसी particular thing के लिए, right? Excited means very happy. Okay. Now next. Now one girl is asking her teacher, why do we wear our uniforms for a picnic? Very important question, very good question. Why do we wear our uniforms for a picnic? हम क्यों पहनते हैं अपनी यूनिफॉर्म्स को पिकनिक के लिए? What's the use? हम क्यों नहीं अपने घर की क्लोथ्स पहन के जाते? हाँ, इसके पीछे भी एक बहुत important reason है. Teacher is saying uniforms help to identify the children of our school. It's easy for the children, it's easy for the teacher, it's easy for other people to identify कि ये स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, these are children from school and एक particular स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, because सबकी यूनिफॉर्म सेम होती हैं, right? अगर कोई मिस भी हो जाता है, so teacher can easily identify and count कि कितने बच्चे उनके साथ हैं और कौन मिसिंग है. ठीक है, तो स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनना तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ड्यूरिंग द पिकनिक. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, who's going to read this? Sharanya Jasu, unmute yourself and read. Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read from here, beta. Read from Ria.
Ria and her classmates get on the bus. On the way, they sing songs and rhyme and chat with each other.
Very good. Very good. Mute yourself. Ria and her classmates. Ria and उसके friends, उसके classmates get on the bus. वो बस में चढ़ जाते हैं. Okay? On the way. जाते हुए. On the way का क्या meaning है? जाते हुए. They sing songs, rhymes and chat with each other. They had fun. उन्होंने बहुत enjoy किया. उन्होंने songs गाए, rhymes गाई and एक दूसरे के साथ बात करी. Chat का meaning होता है बात करना. ओके, सो उन बच्चों ने, रिया ने एंड रिया के क्लासमेट्स ने बहुत एंजॉय किया व्हाइल गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द पिकनिक. ठीक है, ऑन द वे उन्होंने बहुत एंजॉय किया. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट विंडो. नाउ लुक एट देम, दे आर एंजॉयिंग. देयर आर मेनी राइड्स इन द पार्क. Now look at this girl, what she's saying. Let's ride the merry-go-round now. Now she's doing the merry-go-round. Now look at her. She's enjoying in the park. Look at the other boy. We go round and round on the merry-go-round. Now see what he's saying. He's also enjoying. Go, go, go. All are having fun. Don't worry. You will also have fun. Now look at their teacher. Their teacher clicks a group photo. उनकी जो teacher है, उनकी group photo को क्लिक कर रही हैं so that एक memory बन सके, right? You can watch it later. Now look at this girl. She's also sliding. I slide down the slide. Ooh, look at this. She's also enjoying. Now these two children are sitting on seesaw. We go up and down on the seesaw. Yay, yay, yay. They all are having fun. इन सब words से क्या पता चल रहा है? They all are having fun in the school picnic, right? So this is all about the picnic. Okay, now next window is coming. Who's going to read this? Yashasvi, unmute yourself. Yashasvi, read. What is it written? ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? Read this.
I am so happy.
No, this is not happy. Read it again. Read the spelling, please.
HIUHUNGRI.
Yeah, join the words. HUN hung, GRY gree. Hungry. What is the meaning of hungry? Hungry का क्या meaning है?
भूख लग रही है.
This boy is saying, I am so hungry. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. The other is saying, I have sandwiches. मेरे पास sandwiches हैं. This girl is saying, I have pasta and juice. मेरे पास pasta and juice है. The children share their lunch. बच्चे जो हैं अपना lunch share कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. Okay? Okay, now who's going to read the next window? Mute yourself, Yashasvi. Yatharth, read from here.
Yes, ma'am. The CHILDREN. Children.
Good.
ALSO.
Also.
Volleyball.
VOLLEY. Volley. Say volley.
Volleyball.
Volleyball. आगे पढ़ो.
EOGEHTHER. Together.
Together. क्या मीनिंग है इस सेंटेंस का? The children also play volleyball together.
इसका मतलब वो प्ले कर रहे हैं दो ग्रुप में.
इसका मीनिंग है जो बच्चे हैं वो खेल भी रहे हैं साथ में. क्या खेल रहे हैं? वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे हैं. The children also play volleyball together. Okay? Okay, now mute yourself. Now look at this girl is saying together का मीनिंग होता है एक साथ. ठीक है, इसको याद रखना. We will win the game. This girl is saying हम तो गेम जीत जाएंगे. We will win the game. The other one is saying we are the best. हम सबसे best हैं, सबसे अच्छे हैं, हम सबसे अच्छा खेलते हैं. Now see how they are having fun. They are playing. They are having rides, playing on the rides. They are having their lunch. They are clicking the pictures. है ना? कितना ज़्यादा fun कर रहे हैं पिकनिक में. So picnic is all about fun. The match ends in a tie. बच्चों का जो मैच था वो एक टाई में एंड हुआ, यानी ड्रॉ हो गया. The scores were equal. जो उनके scores थे वो equal थे. Okay, the children return home in the evening. बच्चे return हो गए घर पे, वो घर वापस आ गए evening में. The children return home in the evening. Okay, very good. Now what we have to do, you have to do this exercise in your book only. You don't have to do anything in your notebook. ठीक है? इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Read the sentences, correct them and write. Wrong sentences are written. ठीक है, you have to correct these sentences. It's already done for you. ठीक है, आपके लिए already हुआ है. I'll share the worksheet with you. उसके बाद आप इसको अपने बुक में करेंगे. अभी हम इसको सिर्फ रीड करेंगे. Okay, who's gonna read this? वैभवी, यथार्थ, bad manners. वैभवी, unmute yourself and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence A, this one.
Raya, wake up.
No, you're reading it wrong. R-I-A. What do you call it?
R-I.
What was the name of the girl?
Riya.
Good.
Riya wakes up late.
Yes.
Wrong.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the sentence? Riya wakes up late.
रिया क्या लेट उठी थी?
क्या नहीं? It's not asking. क्या नहीं आएगा? It's not asking a question. It's just writing a sentence. It's not a question. इसमें question mark नहीं है. Sentence is saying Riya wakes up late. Riya late उठी. ठीक है? So क्या ये सही है? Is this correct sentence? क्या रिया लेट उठी थी?
Wrong.
Wrong. This is wrong. So अभी हमें इसे write करना है and write correct sentence ये वाला है. Correct sentence कौन पढ़ेगा? Correct sentence पढ़ेगा सिद्धार्थ चावला.
Ananya.
Ananya, mute yourself, please. Siddharth Chavla, unmute yourself, please, and read. Siddharth.
Riya wakes up early.
Good. Can you tell me the meaning of the sentence?
का मतलब है रिया जल्दी उठी थी.
Riya jaldi uthi thi. Riya wakes up early. Good. Suhani, unmute yourself and read, please. Suhani Saxena. Suhani Saxena. Read the B. Please don't help her. Let her read herself. Riya, switch on your camera, please. I want to see you. Sorry. Suhani, switch on your camera. अपना कैमरा ओपन करो, please. I want to see you. Suhani, I'm talking to you. Switch on your camera.
Yeah.
I said switch on your camera. आपने कुछ कैमरा switch on कर लिया अपना? Suhani, कैमरा switch on करो quickly. Suhani Saxena. Suhani, are you able to listen to me? Are you able to hear me? Please tell me. Very bad, very bad. Kritika, unmute yourself and read. Kritika Singh. Please read from here. Is this correct? Is this sentence correct? Okay, now read the correct one. Go to a picnic. हाँ, this is the correct one. Riya and her classmates go to a picnic. ठीक है, ये सब आपको बुक में अपने कंप्लीट करना है, नोटबुक में नहीं करना है ये. Okay, now the C. C question. Who will do?
मैम क्या इसके आंसर्स लिखने हैं बुक में?
जी बेटा, बिल्कुल लिखने हैं. There is no doubt about it. Answers are written already. आपको अपने बुक में करना है ये complete. Ansh Gupta, unmute yourself and read. Questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this one.
The children are
Excited.
Excited for class.
For the class. For the class. You tell me the meaning of excited. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया है.
Excited का मतलब कि वो बहुत ही खुश है.
Speak in English, please. Tell me the meaning in English. मैंने इंग्लिश में ही बताया आपको excited का meaning. खुश को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Happy.
Yes, excited का meaning है very happy. Okay, the children are excited for the class. Is it true? Is it correct? ये sentence correct है? No. Right?
No.
Correct sentence read करो. This one.
The children are excited for the picnic.
The children are excited for the picnic. Right. Children जो है picnic के लिए excited हैं, not for the class. Okay. Okay. Now next sentence. Who will read? Adya Acharya. Please read D. Adya Acharya. Adya Acharya, are you there? Yes, please read D. Question D.
Mohan class the.
Properly, please. Don't skip the words. Look at the screen carefully. मोहन के बाद क्या है लिखा हुआ? Why are you skipping the word?
Mohan
Clicks.
Clicks the class group photo.
Mohan clicks the class group photo. Is it true? No. The sentence is wrong. Read the correct sentence. नीचे जो sentence लिखा है उसे read करो.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes. Adya, read it quickly. What happened? Read करो. Mohan clicks the class group photo के नीचे sentence पढ़ो.
Teacher
clicks the पढ़ो. Class. Say class. Don't say class. Say class. बोलो class. Class. Group.
Group. Photo.
Teacher. Mohan doesn't click. उसने मोहन ने क्लिक नहीं की थी क्लास ग्रुप फोटो, टीचर ने क्लिक की थी. तो करेक्ट सेंटेंस है टीचर क्लिक्स द क्लास ग्रुप फोटो. ओके, so these are the 4 sentences which you have to write correctly. You have to do this work in your book only. You don't have to do this work in your notebook. Okay, now let's discuss the next page. This page is only for reading and learning. No need to write. You don't have to write anything in it. You just have to read and learn. Okay. Occupations. This is vocabulary. Occupations. We will read about the occupations. Read about some occupations. What is occupation? Anyone can tell me? Can anyone tell me what is occupation? Can anyone tell me what is occupation?
जो हम काम करते हैं. Profession.
Yes?
Anybody's work profession.
Yes, occupation means the job that a person does to earn his or her living. Occupation का meaning होता है job, जो work हम करते हैं. That is called our occupation. What is my occupation? Can anyone tell me?
You are teacher.
Yes, very good. My occupation is teacher. I am a teacher. So what I'm doing? I'm teaching my students, right? So this is the work I do to earn my living. Living का क्या meaning होता है? What is the meaning of living? Earn, यानी अपने जीवन की जो भी हमारी हमारे जीने के लिए हमें जो भी चीजें की जरूरत है, हम पैसे कमाने के लिए हमें ये ऑक्यूपेशन, ये हमें इसे ऑक्यूपेशन पे हमें वर्क करना होता है. दिस इज पेज नंबर 106. You have to just read it. You don't have to write anything. ठीक है, just read it. So we will read about some occupations here. I stitch your clothes. I am a tailor. Why he is stitching the clothes? Because he wants to earn a living. उसे पैसे कमाने हैं. That is why he is doing it. ठीक है? Ultimately reason होता है to earn money for their family. Right? अगर मनी नहीं होगी तो हमारे डे टू डे जो हमारे नीड्स हैं वो कैसे होंगे फुलफिल, राइट? आपके पेरेंट्स जो वर्क करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं? आपके लिए करते हैं, सो दैट यू कैन ईट वेल, यू कैन वेयर वेल, राइट? आप गुड अच्छे क्लोथ्स पहनो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, अच्छे हाउस में रहो, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड लिविंग. अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए, टू फुलफिल योर नीड्स. एवरीवन does some work, और जो वो वर्क करते हैं उसको हम occupation कहते हैं. Okay, so this man is stitching the clothes. So who is he? He's a tailor. He's saying, I stitch your clothes. I am a tailor. Okay, next, I am a policeman. I maintain law and order in your area. He's saying, मैं policeman हूँ. I maintain law and order. Why he's doing it? To earn a living, to earn money. राइट? लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करने के लिए आपके एरिया में आई वर्क. ओके, आई एम ए पुलिसमैन. तो पुलिसमैन इनका ऑक्यूपेशन है. इनका ऑक्यूपेशन क्या था? टेलर था. नाउ वी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट. आई एम अ वेजिटेबल वेंडर. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन ऑक्यूपेशन. ये भी एक ऑक्यूपेशन ही है. ठीक है? कोई भी वर्क बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता. सो the person who sells vegetables is a vegetable vendor. I am a vegetable vendor. I sell vegetables. Next, hi, I am a cobbler. I mend your shoes. The next person is saying, I am a cobbler. मैं आपके shoes repair करता हूँ. Mend का meaning होता है repair करना. Okay? Now look at the next one. Solve the riddles and find out the occupations of the people in the pictures. Use the words from the box. I wear a white coat. I make sick people better. I work in a hospital. I'm a dash. Who am I? Quickly tell me. Who am I? Who is this? I wear.
Doctor.
Yes. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. Very good. Now look at the other person. I wear a white cap. I work in a kitchen. I cook. I'm a dash.
Chef.
He is very good. Very good.
Yes.
Next, I travel a lot. I wear a uniform. I fly planes. I'm a dash. Who am I? I know. Very good. Pilot. Next, I drive a van. I come to your house every morning. I collect the garbage. I'm a dash. Garbage collector. Yes, he is a garbage collector. Yes, it's also an occupation. ये भी एक occupation है garbage collector की. Okay, so it's very easy. You don't have to do this. अगर आपका मन है तो कर लीजिएगा इसको, fill कर लीजिएगा. Otherwise, you can just read it and understand. ठीक है? But this question, page number, this page, this one, you have to do this work. Page number 105 में जो work दिया है, this you have to do in your books. ठीक है?
शुक्ला ने इसको कर लिया.
Okay, जिसने कर लिया very good. जिसने नहीं किया, I'm going to share this with you very soon. So please complete this work in your notebooks. I have taken your lot of time. Okay, bye for now. ठीक है? Be ready for your next class. Thank you so much. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.